Discipline, 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 discipline. What's up? Alex O Crypto here to help you get more discipline. Now, what do I mean by more discipline? Because let's get over the idea that you're not disciplined, that you don't have enough discipline, that maybe you are disciplined. But can we get a little bit more discipline? Now, this is what we want to talk about today on our trading psychology and why discipline is so important when trading. Okay, yes, there are things such as fear of missing out. I know I've been there. Revenge trading. I did one the other day. Oh my God, so undisciplined. Okay, so what can happen if we don't stay disciplined? Well, obviously, we can have bigger losses. Now, that may mean you're moving your stop loss with your trade setup. And maybe you don't even have a trade setup, right? But when we're disciplined, we can say no, okay? Say no to clicking that button. Say no to saying buy. Say no to buying, to saying sell, okay? We have to be in the right mind frame in order to be trading. Now, you can see on the charts, price goes up and down. It may come to key levels and we may miss trades. But there's always more trades to be happened, okay? So how do we get more disciplined? Well, a very simple way of getting disciplined is watching price action, looking for your setup, and not having confirmations and saying no, okay? And it is a muscle. It is a muscle, okay? Let's say we've taken a loss and we want to recoup some of those losses. Well, staying disciplined is being like, okay, I'm going to refresh. I'm going to step away from the charts. I'm going to come back and I'm going to make a new plan and execute along my trading strategy. Now, by doing this, we increase our discipline. Why is that? Is because we're flexing the muscle of restraint. We're flexing the muscle to having some self-awareness. This is where it all starts with, is self-awareness. And being like, okay, I have lost, but I have a winning trading strategy that is profitable. So losses is part of my strategy because I'm not going to be perfect every time. I've mitigated my risk, and now I can come back with a fresh mind, reapply my strategy, jump into a trade with some courage and some confluence, and then practice strong discipline with keeping a good stop loss, taking profits when I'm supposed to, and paying myself, okay? So by doing these things over a longer period of time, we get to build this muscle. So we need to flex that discipline muscle. We need to get out there. We need to remain confident, but also remain disciplined. And by doing this, we can become much more profitable traders together. So I challenge you, not that you're not disciplined, not that you can't be more disciplined. So get out there, be more disciplined, and work hard because you deserve this and the profits are waiting for you out there in the next one. God bless, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.